Hello everyone, this is Chan from the city of Davao, Philippines. I am here to present you a short book and movie review. By the way, I'm a grade 9 student from the Premier School of Davao City. The title of the movie I watched last day is Beowulf and Grendel. What is Beowulf? Who is Beowulf? Is it a book or a poem? Beowulf is the conventional title of an Old English epic poem consisting of 3,182 alliterative long lines. Set in Scandinavia, the oldest surviving epic poem of Old English, and thus commonly cited as the one of the most important works of Anglo-Saxon literature, and also arguably the earliest vernacular English literature. Nobody knows who wrote the book of Beowulf. There's a lot of debate over it, but no one has a clue. First of all, Beowulf is not a wolf. He's a human, and this is not a book. It is a really old poem. There's a lot of make-believe stuff in this story, like monsters, dragons, and so many more. In this big Danish adventure story starts. Who is the main characters? Beowulf. Beowulf is the son of Edgestow. He's the prince of Geats and a big hero type guy. He's strong and basically wins a lot of fights. But he fights for good reason. And he's the one who killed Grendel, Hrothgar, a really old king. He's a nice guy who is very smart. He's a lover and the king of Danes. Wiglaf is a young Swedish warrior. He's young when Beowulf is old. He helps Beowulf fight a dragon when Beowulf is an old man. He is Beowulf's assistant and acts like his son. Unferth, a warrior who is really jealous of Beowulf. He doubts about the ability of Beowulf. He talks badly about him all the time, but they make up in the end. Grendel is a monster that lives in a lake and has superhuman strength. He's shaped somewhat like a human or a mummy, and his body is devoured. The book starts with the history of the Danish king. First, there's a king named Shield, then other kings, and finally King Hrothgar is Shield's great-grandson. In the poem, Beowulf, a hero of the Geats in Scandinavia, comes to the aid of Hrothgar, the kings of the Danes, who mid-hall in Heorot has been under attack by a monster known as Grendel. Beowulf slays him. Grendel's mother attacks the hall and is then also defeated. Victorious Beowulf goes home to Geatland in Sweden and later becomes the king of the Geats. After a period of 50 years has passed, Beowulf defeats a dragon, but is fatally wounded. In the battle after his death, his attendants bury him in a tumulus, a burial mound in Geatland. And that is all the story of Beowulf. Thanks for viewing.